email jungle. Would not it be nice if things were simpler? Let's have a look at the present and the future. We need to make an important decision but need the input from 4 of our colleagues, so we sent an email to all 4 of them. The first 2 colleagues reply quickly to all concerned. And here is where the problems begin. Although the other 2 colleagues also respond a bit later, they forget to CC the others. In addition, one staff member, without any notification, involves another person in the conversation because they think that this colleague might have useful insights as well. The newly involved colleague fortunately replies to everyone, so we get all of the feedback, on the basis of which we will send a proposal to those affected. We will soon receive an email from the staff members who were the first ones to respond earlier, asking why it was necessary to include another person. We inform them that however this was not a conscious decision, but as it had happened so, that person has also become part of the process. Meanwhile, the subsequently involved colleague forwards our synopsis to another person who replies in another email. Since this person does not know the antecedents, we send them an email, putting all the others in CC as well, so that they are informed about the newly involved member. After all these difficulties, decision proposal is drafted and, as a final round, we send it to everyone to ask for their opinion. The team member who joined last requests a small modification, to which we agree, so we will resend the modified material to the participants. Finally, everyone replies that it is fine with them. Let's see what has happened. 65 emails were needed to make one single decision. This is everything but effective group work. So let's see how we can avoid this in the future. Instead of sending around emails, we may post an announcement in a collaborative software environment. This solution allows all invitees to respond, in a way that everyone can see all the comments. Any person may request that new team members be added who, if everyone agrees, can be included in the decision-making process. In this collaborative space, the recently involved colleagues also see all the previous proposals in the thread and can add theirs, of course. These will also be available for all the participants. If the proposal has been drafted but someone asks for a modification, everybody can see it. After an eventual modification has been made, the participants can simply approve it. That is it. It was instructive, wasn't it? How many valuable minutes do you think our colleagues could have saved by using such a collaborative software environment? Let's multiply the resulting amount by the number of similar situations occurring in one day and we will see how much time we can save each day. What is more, since all information arising in connection with the cooperation is stored in one place, they can also be easily accessed anytime. We can see through the whole process in a few minutes, without having to search our inbox for hours. Not to mention that we save ourselves and our colleagues a ton of emails and accompanying frustration, which will make them happier. Raise your hand if you think with this solution your colleagues could spend their working hours much more efficiently. Well, which way do you choose?